Down in Black Canyon, steep and wide, Colorado rushing hard through the side, Nevada's sun and Arizona too. That river drew a line right through. They carved that wall where the wild ones ran, turned flood to power for the whole big span. Boulder City waking at dawn, boots in the dust and the work goes on. Steel and rock and sweat and pride, they set that giant on the canyon side. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, holding that river in a steel-clad hand. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, power for the valleys, water for the land. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, built by a million tired hands. 1931, the ground shook free. Men came west for a paycheck dream. The Great Depression biting deep, but they raised that wall where the cliffs ran steep. Concrete pouring day and night, 16 floors of a canyon high. From the desert floor to the rim above, they tamed a giant with grit and love. Lake Mead rising mile by mile, blue on a map with a desert smile. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, holding that river in a steel-clad hand. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, power for the valleys, water for the land. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, built by a million tired hands. Boulder and Vegas, farms and flame, a whole wide region learned its name. From the old frontier to the modern grid, that wall kept time with the things folks did. Black Canyon singing in the stone, a human mark, but the river's on. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, Hoover dam, holding that river in a steel-clad hand. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, power for the valleys, water for the land. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, built by a million tired hands. Hoover dam, Hoover dam, still it stands where the desert began.